So I will just explain you how to add team member. So then you have to go here in manage staff. Then you have to go here in add staff option. So you can add any new member. So you just need to put the necessary details like the contact name, the email, date of joining, their designation, right? And then save it out. So this way you can add the new staff member in the system. So let me just help you with an example. Let's suppose Maria, all right, date of joining 30th of June, designation hairdresser, and then save it out. So this way you can add the new staff member in the system. Can you see Maria is added? And then the second question was how to schedule shift, right? Then you have to go here in staff schedule. Click here, so all your staff roster will be visible to you. Then if you want to set the Maria roster, right, her timing, then click here. Here you can set their availability. Let's suppose from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. Then save it out. So this way you can schedule their shift. Can you see the timing has been changed? So if you want to copy the same schedule for the coming week, simply click here in copy option. Then if you want to copy the same schedule for the next week, simply click here in week. Select the week like for 28th week, 29th week till 12th July to 20th July, right? So save it up. So you can copy the same schedule of the staff member. So now the third question was how to change calendar colors. Then here you need to go in setup. You will get an option calendar setting. Then simply click here, choose the color which you want to choose, right? This one or any color. Then save it out. This way you can change the color. And the third question was like fourth question how to void bill. Let's suppose you have created the bill of your client. Go to the home page, right? This is the bill. Let's suppose you want to delete. So simply click here in three dot view bill, then click here. So you will get an option to cancel the bill. Simply click here, mention the reason, and then save it out, right? This way, this is now cancelled. So this way you can cancel the bill.